Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today with Shane and Nyla.
Howdy.
Here to show you a 1970 Volkswagen Beetle.
Punch buggy.
I don't know much about this car. It's got white paint, black interior. It's got some aftermarket Krager lookalike wheels on it. But the paint looks good, the chrome looks good, the glass looks good, and it runs good.
Yep.
We may or may not be able to find more information out about what CC engine it is. And if we do, we'll be sure to put it in the description below.
For sure. It's a manual.
They're all manual.
Oh. See, that's how much I know.
They made one non-manual 1 year in 1964. And it was still considered a manual. It didn't have a clutch pedal. It was a
Updated
three-speed
stereo.
shift without a clutch pedal.
Definitely newer seats. It's got a nice little back seat back there. Can't really see it. But we're gonna take it for a spin, see how she does on the road. Let's do it. Here we go.
1970 Volkswagen Beetle test drive. Clutch feels real good. Shifts nice and smooth.
Speedometer works. Can't figure out the radio, but it is an updated stereo dock there. Definitely a small little car, but we sit kind of low, so there's plenty of headspace.
It actually feels really solid. There's no play in the steering wheel.
Good.
I'm not hearing any funny little Volkswagen squeaks or pops or dings or dangs.
Good. Cool.
The shifting feels real good. The clutch feels good. The speedometer's working. There aren't any other gauges other than that, so.
Right? That's all you get.